First meal in the vegan bean, we are having chili. So cooking a bunch of beans, and we're gonna add some lentils, and then the secret ingredient, of course, is pumpkin. And then having that with some chips and some cilantro. Vegan bean number one. Vegan bean meal number one. Here we go. And we'll look out here. Chips and salsa. Vegan bean Boston. I'm waiting for her to do that. Cheers. This is a really cool feature. They have this silverware drawer, and it's cut in, kind of. I don't know if you can see that, but it's cut in so it doesn't like move around when you're driving. But just bring out all the silverware that you need. So it's nice. I'm grabbing my spoon for my chili.